In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Microsoft Teams account from the mobile app. Deleting your Teams account may sometimes seem like a complex process, but by the end of this guide, you'll be well equipped with the necessary steps to complete it smoothly. Let's dive into it. First, it's essential to understand that deleting your Microsoft Teams account involves deleting your entire Microsoft account. This means all the services associated with your Microsoft account, including Outlook, OneDrive, Xbox, Skype, and others, will also be permanently lost. Therefore, it's crucial to make sure that you back up any important information or data that you might want to keep before proceeding. The process starts by visiting the Close Your Account page on your preferred web browser. You'll need to sign in with the Microsoft account you wish to close. Keep in mind that this step is a security measure to ensure it is indeed you who is attempting to close the account. Once you've signed in, you'll be prompted to confirm your identity. Microsoft may send a code via email or SMS that you'll need to enter to proceed, so make sure you have access to those communication methods. Following this, you'll be presented with a checklist. This checklist is designed to help you understand the full implications of closing your account. It encapsulates crucial reminders about emails, files, and services you'll lose access to upon deletion. Make sure you review this checklist thoroughly to avoid any unforeseen inconveniences. Next, you'll have the option to choose a waiting period. You can select either a 30-day or a 60-day waiting period before your account is permanently deleted. This duration serves as a buffer period, providing an opportunity to recover your account should you change your mind. During this period, Microsoft will not delete the account but mark it for closure. Once you've carefully considered your decision and selected the preferred waiting period, go ahead and click on Mark Account for Closure. This action signifies your final confirmation, and your account will be designated for deletions. It's important to note that even after marking the account for closure, you still have the option to reverse your decision within the waiting period. However, if you do not take any action, after the waiting period, your account, including Teams, will be permanently deleted and you will lose access to all Microsoft services tied to it. That wraps up the steps needed to delete your Microsoft Teams account from the mobile app by closing your Microsoft account. Always remember to review all details carefully before confirming your decision. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.